So I ended up spending whole 20K at Sephora. These girls who always want to try Summer Fridays lip balm and I want to get into hype or pocket blush in the Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Harshita, and if you're already part of the family, hello again. So I recently started making YouTube videos on fashion and lifestyle and I'm quite enjoying it, and if you're enjoying watching me, then please hit that subscribe button. As promised, here's the year's Sephora haul. So I know I'm a little late, but let's be honest, it's never too late for a makeup haul, right? So I ended up spending whole 20K at Sephora. So let's get into that. I know it's not Sephora cover, but trust me, all the products in here are from Sephora. So a quick backstory before getting into the actual video. So my best friend has come from US last month to visit us, and if you didn't know this already by now, that means you're not following me on Instagram. This is your sign to go follow me there. Go. So yeah, and I clearly told her not to surprise me at all because she's the only person who can bring me things like these from the US or any other country she visits, honestly, because I know for sure I'm not going anytime soon to US, and I really wanted these stuff from so long. And that cute woman not only got the things that I asked for but also got me other things and decided to spoil me extra, which she always does, by the way. So I haven't opened a single item in this except for one lipstick, obviously. So this is like a first real impressions kind of video. So sit back, get your coffee or chai, and let's unbox it together. Let's start with my most awaited product of all time, the famous Hailey Bieber Road Pocket Blush in the shade Sleepy Girl. I seriously watched an unhealthy amount of videos to pick the right shade, and every single person has told me to pick Toasted Teddy, but I ended up picking Sleepy Girl because I know if I would have picked Toasted Teddy, I usually end up using it as a bronzer rather than a blush. So I hope I made the right choice and I'm seriously excited to use this. Next up, I have this Color of Dream Coat. If you have been on internet for at least 5 minutes, you would have seen this product everywhere. Every other creator swears by this product for frizz, and every other review says it's worth every penny that we spent. So I had to try it because as a girl who has spent entire life dealing with frizz, I really wanted to try this one. And actually this was first suggested by my sister, so I don't think there's any other way that it won't live up to the hype. While everyone is buying concealer from Kosas, I ended up buying a color corrector in the shade Alchemy. It is a serum powered color corrector which really sounds skincare coded, and I'm really excited to try it. I'm just manifesting that I picked the right shade. And next is this Milk Makeup Primer. After skincare, the primer is the most important step, but I really was confused which primer to take. Once again, my sister came in to help and suggested me this Milk Makeup Primer. I'm really excited to try this, and I love this already because it is vegan and it is 90% lightweight. These girls who always want to try Summer Fridays lip balm and I want to get into hype. I'm one of them. So I really wanted to try their lip balms for a very long time now. So I got my hands on it and I'm really glad I got my hands on these minis. Now I can try multiple shades and pick my favorite. But I think I can already say cherry is gonna be my fave. Okay, so I saved these for last so that I can show everything together. Wait, are you ready? Are you? Ah, my Fenty collection. These Fenty lipsticks have been on my wish list for so long. I tried ordering it from Nykaa last year, but due to some reason they didn't come through. But after a while, they weren't available in India for some reason. I don't know why, but finally getting my hands on these lipsticks feels so unreal. I got two lipsticks in the shade HBIC and Wicked Wine, along with the contour in the shade Truffle. And this is why I call my best friend, because she got me another blush from Fenty Beauty in the shade Tutu Turned, just because. Just look at how luxe and cute these products are. They feel so luxe, so cute. I genuinely can't wait to try the blush, but I'll wait until February because that is my birthday month, which is next month. So yes, you can go right now and wish me in advance in the comments. I'll see you there. Now moving on to the extra gifts. A shimmering wild rose body oil by Pink Sky. Ta-da! This Kate Spade minimalist chain, which is literally screaming my personality. Cutest scrunchie because no matter what I wear, I always wear a scrunchie on my hand. And an Aldo bag, the cutest handmade phone cover. And yes, there were chocolates too, but I ate it because seriously, guys, are you waiting for a reason? Your girl couldn't wait. There, I said it, which isn't that dramatic like I said it, but yeah, they were chocolates too. But that's it, guys. If you have someone who can bring things from the US, these are all the products that you can try to. So I hope you loved watching this haul. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, which is not going to be another haul, I promise. Bye.